Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Grok on X. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type X and press enter. From the results, click on the official X website and make sure the link is correct before proceeding. Once the website loads, take a moment to navigate the interface. Look for the Grok icon, usually located below the messages section. Click on the Grok icon to open its workspace. Inside Grok, find and select the Create Images option. This feature allows you to generate visuals based on your ideas. Now, enter a clear prompt describing what you want to create. For example, you can type a concept like top basketball players or any creative idea. After writing your prompt, click the Submit button. Grok will process your request and generate an image based on your description. Review the result and adjust your prompt if needed to improve the output. So that's basically how you can use Grok on X. That's it for this video. Thanks.